In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create collections on Shopify. Collections are a great way to organize your products into groups that make sense for your customers, like new arrivals, sale items, or summer collection. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can set them up confidently. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the section labeled Products and click on it. When you do, a few more options will appear underneath. Click on Collections. This will take you to the Collections page. On the top right, you'll see a button that says Add Collection. If you don't have any collections yet, this button might appear more toward the center of the screen. Go ahead and click that to open the collection editor. Inside the collection editor, start by giving your collection a clear, descriptive title. This is usually what customers will see on your storefront, so make it meaningful, like bestsellers or men's shoes. Just below the title, you'll find the description area. Here you can add more details about the collection, such as what kind of products it includes or any special promotions. This field supports rich text, so you can use formatting like bold, italics, or links to make the description more readable and engaging. Next, you'll choose the collection type. You have two main options, smart or manual. If you select a smart collection, Shopify will automatically include products based on conditions you set. In the conditions area, decide whether products must match all conditions or any condition. Then, use the first drop-down to choose which product attribute you want to filter by, such as title, type, category, vendor, or tag. In the next box, choose the rule, like is equal to or is not equal to. In the last box, set the specific value you want to match. If you need more than one rule, click Add another condition and repeat the process. Shopify will then automatically pull in products that match those rules. If you prefer full control, choose a manual collection. In the product section that appears below, click Browse. A pop-up window will open with a list of your products. Select the ones you want to include in this collection, then click Add at the bottom right of the pop-up. On the right-hand side of the editor, you'll see an image section. If you'd like to add a featured image for this collection, click Add Image. A window will open, allowing you to upload or select an existing image. This is optional, but a good image can make your collection page more visually appealing. Below that, you'll find a template drop-down. This lets you choose which theme template this collection will use. If your theme offers different layouts for collections, pick the one that best fits the style and purpose of this group of products. Once you're happy with the title, description, collection type, products, image, and template, look to the top of the page near the search bar and click Save. Shopify will apply your changes and your new collection will be ready for use in your store navigation, on your homepage, or anywhere else you choose to feature it.